Hello students, I am Charlotta Medkar from Samarpan Gyan School. This is class 7 mathematics. Today I am explaining simple equations lesson 4 part 3. In the previous session you see that how to solve the simple equations of type 1. Now I am explaining you the different type which is helpful you to solve more simple equations. See now, these are some simple equations. See the first one, 4x equal to 20. This is one of the equation and you have to find the value of x. What is the value of x? That is your m. Now 4x is LHS, 20 is RHS and both sides have the equality signs, means it is equation that I explained yesterday. Now we have to find the value of x, means this 4 is the extra that we not want with x. X should be free from this 4 and 4 is with multiply sign in x. 4 multiply x equal to 20 means 4x equal to 20. This 4x can be written as 4 multiply x equal to 20. Then this multiply will vanishes due to the divide. Means what I will do now, x equal to 20 as it is and multiply 4 will goes to the divide 4. Is it okay? Now what I will do, this 20 can be written as 5 multiply 4 and this 4 is as it is. Both 4 get cancelled, means at end I have x equal to 5. That is the value of x that we want to find. Once again I am explaining the steps. 4x is equal to 20. 4x can be written as 4 multiply x equal to 20. That you consider in your mind. No need of writing this separate step. 4x meaning is 4 multiply x. Now we want to vanish this 4x because we have to find value of x. Means x should be free from 4. To make the free x free, therefore this multiply vanishes with divide. We divide by this 4 to 20. 20 can be written as 5 multiply 4. This calculation also we have to do in mind. 4 and 4 get cancelled. Remaining value is x. Now in the next example, whatever the part that you have to do in mind, we will not write that in detailed steps. See now how to write in exam. 3x equal to 300 is given and our target is find the value of x. Then 3x means 3 multiply x. Then what is the value of x? Multiply 3 can be given with divide 3. It will cancel with divide 3. Then x equal to 300 divided 3 is nothing but 100. See the next example. 8x equal to 32. Then what is the value of x? This x should be free from 8. Then I write x is equal to 32 upon 8. Then what will be the value of x? Say the table of 8. What will be the 32? At which place? In the table of 8. Shabas, it is at 4 place. Therefore x equal to 4. Now see, slightly different. 19x is equal to 20. Then x is equal to 20 divide 19. Is 20 is coming in table of 19? No. Is any common term in 2, 3, 5, 4, 7 like this in 20 and 19? No, nothing is common. Both are co-primes. Therefore, the answer is x equal to 20 by 19. Got this? Okay. If you understood, then you have to solve these homework problems. 5x is equal to 105. 20y is equal to 125. 4t equal to 28. 35k equal to 105. 16x is equal to 144. 2x is equal to 98. Solve these examples in your notebook. Tomorrow we will see the division concept in the simple equation. Thank you.